Outside Hacks is the official hackathon of Outside Lands Festival. It's the only hackathon of its kind that actually allows the developers to make their projects and then try them out inside of a festival using the festival audience as their test market for their innovation. So right now we have the Outside Hacks tent where we have our own private speakeasy. And what it does is it allows the developers who win, it allows them the opportunity to engage with their future users and their current users and try out the technology that they made on real people in the real world. The phone booth is actually from Golden Gate Park history. The phone booth is 80 years old, and we're trying to unite the history of the fest with today. And the phone booth is, there's a trap door in the back, and it leads you in there. And the only way you can get the password is if you're part of, if you download the winning team's apps. And that's the way that we actually get distribution for the teams here inside the festival. This year, the teams that I really love the most all won an augmented reality app, which is very timely right now. You hold your phone up and it shows you what's around you in the real world, so if you're lost or whatever it is.
So tell us, how does the app work?
Well, essentially by using Apple's new software, ARKit. It's all in beta still, so it's not released to the public, but it detects the gravity, it looks for the ground, and it finds the XYZ coordinates using GPS as well as accelerometer. Essentially what it means is you point your phone and follow the directions to the nearest stage, and it's a much more intuitive interface.
We have an open source deep learning model from Google Magenta that is a neural network that is trained to produce new kinds of instrument sounds. So you can imagine at a place like Outside Lands, if you have one of your favorite artists playing on stage, you can have the audience, everybody in the audience, like 10,000 of you, tilt their phones to the left, and then all of a sudden the lead synth becomes like a violin sound. But then if all 10,000 people tilt to the right, then it becomes like an organ sound, and the musician sort of has this new palette of sounds to work with every single time.
Coordinating 10,000 rowdy people at a music festival might be tough, but the cacophony that'll come out of everyone holding their phones in different directions could be a lot of fun to check out.
It's a WhatsApp that works without internet. The way that it works is that it uses Bluetooth instead of data, so that when you're surrounded by thousands of people, it doesn't have to actually use internet to work.
That's amazing. So that must save you a lot of battery. So with this, you're able to send text messages back and forth to people who are here at Outside Lands as well?
Exactly. It lets you text people that are 330 feet around you.
These things that actually allow you to go to a music festival and actually interact with the artist and interact with the fans around you. I love seeing more and more of these because this is what technology does, is it helps bring people together. And at a festival like this, we love seeing things that help that and advance things for the musicians.